It's still being Cali. You going to the dog park? Y'all ready to go to the dog park? I think we're ready to go to the dog park. Cali, yep. Alright. Come on. Good boy. Gang, 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 gang. So we are off to another day at the park. It's a daily thing. My name's AJ. It's Kobe and Cali. This is their channel. All about golden retrievers. Subscribe, stay tuned. It's gonna be all about them, all about golden retriever life, the ups, the downs, the silliness, the getting in trouble. You don't get in trouble, do you? As you guys can tell, these Sioux rolled in the dirt. A couple options. You can hose them down, rinse the dirt off, which works. It's just try not to overdo it with them. So I'm going to show you kind of what I do a few times a day. Come on, Kobe, come here. So we do that a few times a day, especially if we go to the park and they get dirty. They're still a little dirty, just gotta wipe it off. But the biggest thing is just getting most of that dirt off of them and making them spick and span. Still a little dirty on the paws, but good.